Sandy, our golden retriever, likes many things: walks, sunshine, and of course, a good scratch behind the ears. But above everything else, she likes food. Sandy loves people food. It doesn't really matter what it is. If you're eating it, she's interested. She'll eat carrots, apple slices, cucumber, even steamed broccoli and other steamed vegetables. Most dogs don't like vegetables. Sandy has never understood that attitude. She sits still and watches your hand. Hold out some broccoli, and her tail starts wagging. She takes it gently and chews with great satisfaction. Still, vegetables are not her true favorite. She loves other foods even more. Sandy loves all kinds of meat: steak, sausage, pork. It doesn't matter. She loves them all without reservation. She doesn't get meat very often, but when she does, she is, without question, the happiest dog in the world. She also likes homemade bread. The smell of fresh bread cooling on the counter is almost more than she can handle. On baking days, she stays in the kitchen and waits. She doesn't beg. She simply makes sure you know she's there. Pizza crust is her favorite bread. On pizza nights, Sandy is noticeably more cheerful than usual. She receives the last piece of crust from every slice and chews it slowly as if she wants it to last. Chicken is a favorite too. Plain cooked chicken, nothing fancy. She would eat it every single day without complaint. But the most unexpected food on Sandy's favorite list is cheesecake. No one is quite sure why. It's just one of those things about Sandy that is unusual. A whole piece is out of the question. Too rich for a dog, but a spoonful to lick is permitted. She takes her time with that spoon. Every millimeter is covered. Nothing is wasted. When it's clean, she looks up with an expression of quiet hope, just in case there might be a little more. It's worth mentioning that Sandy also loves her dog food. She eats it every morning and every evening. She always eats everything in her bowl of dog food. She never leaves anything inside. But if you ask Sandy, the best meals are always the ones she gets to share with you.